Hello, good morning po. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng word problems involving fractions. Okay, so we have an example here on the whiteboard. Okay, let me read for you. Okay, Justin bought 8 1/2 meters of rope. He used 4 3/4 meters for his project. So, how many meters of rope were left? So, ang tanong po dito, ilang meters po ng rope yung naiwan? Okay, originally po, meron siyang 8 1/2 meters. Now, ginamit niya, he used, okay, let's have this one. Okay, he used 4 3/4 meters. So, from the original length. Okay, ang tanong is, how many meters daw yung naiwan? So, ang gagawin natin is, iso-subtract natin ito sa original length. So, paano nga ba tayo mag-subtract ng fractions? Okay, so yung given natin, okay, susulat natin dito, given, okay, yung original length, okay, we have 8 1/2. Tapos, yung ginamit niya is 4 3/4. Okay. So, step 1. So, since ito, okay, this fraction, okay, this type of fraction, you call this one mixed fraction. Okay, bakit nga ba mix? Bakit nga ba mix? Okay, mixed fraction dahil meron tayong whole number. Okay, itong 8 and 4, they are whole numbers, and meron tayong fraction. So, it's a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya mixed fraction. So, step 1. Okay, step 1. Okay, medyo mahabang process nito. Medyo mahabang process nito, pero kung nasanay ka na mag-solve, then mas madali na siyang gawin. Okay, step 1, okay, we need to convert, okay, convert or change improper or mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, convert mixed fraction. Okay, convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction. So, meron tayong first one is 8 1/2. 8 1/2. So, to convert mixed fraction class, all we have to do is multiply the denominator. So, yung number sa baba, you call this one denominator. Yung number sa taas naman is numerator. So, multiply the denominator to the whole number. So, 2 times 8, that is 16. And then add plus 1. So, 2 times 8 plus 1. So, ang sagot is 2 times 8 is 16. Now, dagdagan ng isa. Plus 1 is 17 over 2. Okay, so from mixed fraction, meron na tayong improper fraction. Okay, second one. Ito naman, 4 3/4. Okay, gawin din natin siyang improper fraction. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. Okay, 19 over 4. Okay, 19 over 4. So, improper fractions and improper fraction. Okay. Bakit nga ba tinatawag na improper fraction? Okay, you call this one improper fraction kasi nga, mas malaki yung number sa taas kaysa sa baba. In other words, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So, if that is the case, you call that improper fraction. Now, we can subtract now. Okay, step 2. Okay, step 2. Okay, so step 2, okay, isusulat natin siya in subtraction form. Okay, 19 over 4. Okay, but tingnan natin yung denominator. Okay, we have to check the denominator. To subtract fraction class, kailangan pareho yung denominator. Now, how can we make it the same? So, the first one, we have 2. The second one, we have 4. So, we cannot solve or we cannot subtract directly. Kailangan muna natin itong gawing magkapareho. Okay? So, to make it the same, we need to find the LCD. LCD or least common denominator. denominator. Okay, how? But how? Okay, how to find the common denominator? So, meron tayong, okay, if we list down 2 and 4, hanapin natin yung multiples. So, ano ang mga multiples ng 2 and 4? So, 2, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So, 4 naman, okay, we will start with 4. 4, 8, 12, and 16, and 20. Okay, now compare natin yung dalawang list ng multiples ng 2 and 4. Hanapin natin yung mga common. Okay, yung mga common na multiple ng 2 and 4. So, ito, 4 and 4, then 8 and 8. Okay, wala na? Okay. So, itong dalawa. So, maybe, as you go along class, meron siyang common pa as we go along. Pero since ang hinahanap natin, least common denominator, so yung pinakamaliit. So, 4 and 8. So, mas maliit yung 4. So, now the least common denominator is 4. Okay, pwede na natin itong i-erase. Erase, para magkaroon tayo ng space. Okay, 4. So, since we have the common denominator, what we can do is, okay, divide this one to each and every denominator sa original fractions natin. So, 4 divided by 2. Okay, the answer is 2. Multiply natin sa numerator na 17. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 17. So, we can do it in a scratch paper kung walang calculator. So, 17 multiplied by 2. Okay, 7 times, 2 times 7, 14, carry 1. Okay, this multiplication. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, so 34. So, the answer is 34. Then, copy minus. Okay. Next one, 4 divided by 4, it's 1. Okay, so 4 divided by 4, 1 times 19. So, the same, 19. Okay, ngayon, pwede na natin siyang i-subtract. Pwede na natin siyang i-subtract kasi pareho na yung denominator nila. Okay, so to subtract, 34, okay, all we have to do is subtract the numerator or yung number sa taas. Okay, so kung walang calculator, we can do it manually. 34 minus 19. Okay, so since 9 is greater, we can borrow 1. 14 minus 9. Okay, 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, this will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so the answer is 15. So we can write this down as 15 over 4. Okay, 15. Okay, 15. And then copy lang natin yung denominator na 4. Ngayon yung answer natin is improper fraction. We need to turn this one into a mixed number. So how? Paano natin ibabalik sa mixed number? So, simple lang. So, from 15 over 4, we can just divide manually. If you're not allowed to use calculator, merong manual division. So, 15 divided by 4. Okay, ilang 4 meron sa 15? Okay, 3. So, just put 3 here. 3 times 4, 12. Okay, minus. This will be minus 15 minus 12. So, the answer is 3. So, to write this down in improper form, okay, you write down the answer first here on top. 3, then the remainder, 3 over 4. So, the remaining meters, or the remaining length of the rope is 3 and 3/4. So, huwag po natin kalimutan yung unit. It's in meters. Okay, kuha. Okay, 3 and 3/4 meters.